Good morning everyone. Today we will read chapter 42 of your general knowledge book Land and Water. Zameen aur Pani. Our earth has various kinds of landforms. Look at the pictures and name the landforms described. A large landform that rises above the surrounding land in a limited area, usually in the form of a peak, that is mountain. Number 2. A broad, nearly level stretch of land that has no great change in elevation. It is generally lower than the land around it. These are plain. Number 3. It is a flat, elevated landform that rises sharply above the surrounding area on at least one side. It is also called tableland. This is plateau. We already have been reading in social study book, so there is no need to know in detail about these. You know very well this plateau. Number 4. It is a land that is completely surrounded by water. Island. This also know. A large area of dry land where water is scarce and which supports very little life may be covered with sand, rocks and snow. Desert. Number 6. A large area of land covered with trees and plants, also the home of a number of animals, birds and insects. This is forest. Next, an extremely large mass of ice which moves very slowly, often down a mountain valley. This is glacier. A large body of salt water covering much of the earth, or a large quantity of something separating the continents. This is ocean. Number 9. A large body of water flowing in a channel to the sea, a lake or another river. This is river. Number 10. A deep inlet of the sea, almost surrounded by land with a narrow mouth. This is gulf. Number 11. A deep, steep-walled, V-shaped valley cut by a river through hard rock. This is canyon. Number 12. A piece of land which is surrounded by water on three sides and has land on one side. This is peninsula. Number 13. One of several very large land masses of the world. Continent. Complete these in your book and learn about this. Very simple. Land and water. Thank you. Have a nice day.